Greetings. Today I want to speak to you concerning the 3 P's to wealth and abundance. I want to say 3 P's. I'm speaking about 3 words that start with the letter P. Okay, and the first one is pain. You have to learn to suffer pain. And the reason why you have to learn to suffer pain is so that you would know how to appreciate and how to embrace the things that you will achieve after you would have suffered the pain. There's no progress without pain. So you have to learn to endure pain in whatever form it may comes in. Okay? So learn to appreciate pain. So when you're going through your suffering, do not say, why me? Do not think bad about yourself. Never speak bad about yourself. Never say, I can't. Always say, I can. Or how may I afford this? Or how may I afford that? You see, whenever you say, I am, you're actually using the name of God. And whenever you say I am and you say something negative after I am, you're actually desecrating the name of God. So never go around saying I am broke. Never go around saying I am sick. No. Always be positive. And even the Bible says, let the poor say that I am rich. And he say, let the weak say I am strong. So my brother and my sisters, whatever pain you're going through right now, it might be an addiction. It might be the loss of someone. It might be bankruptcy. Whatever it is, ask yourself what lesson is there for you to learn from it. Because when you learn to enjoy your pain and your suffering and you embrace them, knowing that all things gonna work together for your good, as long as you keep that mindset and you realize that there's light at the end of the tunnel, I guarantee you will find that light. Because the next P, which you're gonna come to, which is the second thing after your pain, is purification. You see, gold, diamond, and all of these precious things that they get from the earth and so on, they have to go through a cleansing, a purification process to be put on the market as being valuable. And so, your greatest teacher would always be your experience, the things that you experience. And that is why true knowing is experiential. You must have certain experience. You see, when you read in the Bible, in the book of Job, you say, the thing that I fear most have come upon me. And so sometimes the things that you're trying to escape from, the things you don't want to go through, you'll have to go through them. So don't ever try to fool yourself. Because you must, as I said earlier, suffer pain before you can understand purification and why you need to be purified, why you need to be cleansed. And so, when I encourage you to unlearn, relearn, and reprogram your subconscious mind, is to bring about purification. Because many of us were raised to have limiting beliefs. Many of us was raised to have religious, superstitious beliefs that has been robbing us of all our blessings. We've been blocking all of our wells from giving us what we should be enjoying. You see, life was meant to be a blessing and to be enjoyed. And abundance and prosperity is actually your birthright. But because everything is based on law and order, you have to learn to abide by law and order. So once you're having this human experience, you have to understand that the day gonna come when you would have to endure your pain to come to your place of purification. Okay? Don't let no one fool you and make you believe that if they take you and they dip you down in water and then bring you back up, that they're gonna bring about some sort of change in your life. That is just symbolic to showing you that you have to immerse yourself in the truth, and the truth will set you free, and that freedom can come without pain and purification. So my brother, my sisters, embrace the pain, as I said, because it will definitely shape and mold character in you. So that's what the purification is all about, to mold and shape character in you. Because the third thing which I'm going to come to, which is power. Power without character can be very diabolical. Power without character can be a sinister thing. Okay? It can be very devastating. Could you imagine a man having $1 billion and he take a gun and put it to his head because he's unfulfilled, because he's unhappy? You see, when it comes to alchemy and you learning to transmute your energy into the equivalent of money or whatever you desire in this world, you have to understand purification. And you have to understand what it means to become God, to operate in your God self, your all-powerful self, your higher self. Because, you see, true power is not what they make you think it is. True power is knowing who you are. Self-knowledge is the greatest power there is. When you discover who you are, you'll never be trapped in false identity. You'll know that your real identity is your divinity. And you will know that you have in your power that you can use to achieve your every desire. And you will definitely exercise that power. And when you exercise that power, you wouldn't use it to control others. No, you'll use it to uplift others. And so, my brothers, my sisters, learn to embrace pain. Learn to accept that you need to be purified. You need a cleansing. And learn to understand that you can't just get power without you being a more responsible person. Accountability is very, 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 very important. And everything that I'm saying here, it has been shown to you in the story of the prodigal son. Also, it been shown to you in the story of Job. And you know, a lot of people believe these things are literal and secular history that is pointing them to look outwardly, and they think they're speaking about some historical people that existed thousands of years ago. No. It's your spiritual autobiography that you must learn to understand metaphysically and esoterically. You must understand it psychologically. So in short, your real power is your mind power. And when you really discover how to really use your mind power, you wouldn't need to speak, because your life would speak, which is your light. So when you're told that let your light so shine before the world that you always see, that's what it is talking about. And it says also that if you seek first the kingdom, when you find the kingdom, always know that you would have found the kingdom. Because say all these things will be added on to you. Do you realize that when you find the kingdom, is the kingdom of creativity, and you can't find it on the outside? You have to find it within you. Do you realize that everything is downloaded within you? Do you realize that everything is in your imagination? Do you realize that everything was first a thought, everything was first an idea, everything was first imagined? Everything I'm saying to you right here, right now, is teaching you about how the mind really works and how you must be in control of your mind. Don't give it to an idol. There's no man coming to save you. Okay? So with that being said, my brother, my sister, I can go on and on and on and on, but I think it's time for me to come to a close. Yeah. And I want to say to you, if this is the very first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it makes sense, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram, you like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at BlackMadGuru. And if you would like to network with me, you can reach out to me. Or if you want to do a one-on-one, reach out to me. If you want to be mentored, reach out to me. Whatever is your desire, you can reach out to me. Also, if you like to get my books, they're all available on Amazon. My latest one is The Secret Vagina Mystery of the Virgin Birth. Along with that is Meditate to Eradicate Poverty, Spiritual Recipe for Better Living, How to Turn Water into Wine, and much more. But all of the links are down below so you can check them out. Also, if you like to be a part of my Patreon community, you are most welcome. And for those who are donating $20 or more, I have a course that is called The Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciously. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. So my last encouragement to you is to make sure that you check out all of the links that are down below and let your intuition lead you and guide you into what to do. So that being said, I just want to say peace, love you all, out.